tension on it. So you pull it up and you hook it on there and that'll hold it up.
Oh. Cool.
I don't want it to be slack because then the rope will hang down and get off the tracks and the chickens might chew on it. They were chewing on what I was doing. You gonna help them out?
Yeah, help them outside.
Yeah.
Alright, don't let the dog in there.
Come on.
I think you're just gonna need to grab a few and throw them out.
Yep. What are you dogs doing?
Ow! This is Tracy. This is Tracy. This is Tracy.
I think Tracy's name of a candy bar too. It's Tracy bar.
And what would be made in a Tracy bar?
I don't know, traces of everything,
That doesn't sound good.
including chicken.
I'm gonna hit
There's
you.
traces of chicken in a
I'm
Tracy
gonna
bar.
hit you. I will. I'm gonna hit you eventually. This is cinnamon. That's basil.
There's two more.
Rudy, you know the name of a candy bar.
What about speckles?
Yeah, well, there's like sprinkles, speckles, sprinkles, same thing.
They're not the same thing! What about bluebell?
Yeah, bluebell ice cream, made with chicken.
You suck. Here's Rudy. This is Rudy.
Wow, he's getting pretty.
Yeah, this is Purdy Birdie.
Yep.
Rudy Purdy Birdie. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Rudy? Right, Rudy?
Oh gosh, there are so many wood-bees.
Yep, there's wood-bees everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Birdie Birdie.
Need to ask Grandpa to put a lock on the inside of the door too.
Yeah.
All right. Another couple weeks and we can let him go free range.
Well, we're gonna let the chickens out for a little bit. First time out of the pen. Well, not really their first time, but first time letting them do that.
Yes. Because what's our goal?
Yeah, our goal is to have free-range chickens.
That is correct, yes. Our goal is to have free-range chickens. There she goes. She's like, oh no, oh no, oh no. How do I get back in? Oh no. What have they been doing?
They've been hopping in and out. They seem to like Virginia creeper.
Yes, they have. They'll hop out and they'll eat a little bit of the Virginia creeper and they'll hop back in. They'll hop out and explore. Oh. This one over here, do you remember which one that one is?
That one's basil.
Basil? Okay, so Basil went out right away and she's been out the whole time. All the other ones have come out, looked around, and then jumped back in. Oh, here's one. There we go. So what's supposed to happen with chickens is you're supposed to free range them, and then what happens at night?
You're supposed to lock them up.
But aren't they supposed to go back on their own?
Yeah.
Yes, they're supposed to go back to their home on their own. Now they're all coming out.
Here's Rudy. That one's cinnamon. I think that one's peanut.
Good progress.
Yeah, that one's butter. Butter and basil are tied for the darkest, deepest red.
Deepest red in their necks. Or no, that's the on the full
Like
body,
the
right?
feathers.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to go plant some stuff and come back and check on them.